Hey traders, and welcome to this first video in the Delta Funding Futures series. In this tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through everything you need to set up your ATAS platform from scratch. ATAS is one of the core trade platforms of how we trade inside the Delta family. Is where we read the volume, the delta, and the story behind every candle. If you've just joined the Delta Funding Futures or you're completely new to footprint trading, this series could be your foundation then. I'll show you how to install the platform, how to log in, how to open your first chart, and how I'm using it every single day. We'll keep everything simple, fast and clear, no clutter, just what you exactly need. And once you finish this setup, you'll be ready for the next video where I'll be showing you how to connect your ATAS with the Rhythmic and get your live data running. So get that coffee or tea, open the laptop, and let's start with this trading platform. Go to the ATAS.net website and click on Download ATAS. After that, get ATAS for Windows. It's the best on the Windows 10 or 11. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer and just follow the steps. It will only take like a minute. So when you start ATAS for the first time, you'll see a login window. If you already have an ATAS account, you can fill in the login. If not, make sure you register on the page itself. You just click on registration, fill in the email. You might see that you need to choose a package, but if you are with the Delta Funding Futures and you took a challenge account, you know you'll get ATAS for free. And to get your ATAS for free during your challenge, go to atas.net/deltafunding and fill in your email to get the free access to your ATAS. So once you've done the registration and you've registered also on the atas.net Delta Funding website to get ATAS for free, you can start up ATAS and you'll see this pop-up screen where you need to fill in your login and your password. And then you can start with opening ATAS trading platform. The moment you open ATAS, it might look a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry. I'll show you a few basic things that will be really helpful when you start for the first time with ATAS. You'll see a chart. I'm probably gonna say that you're on the 15-minute delayed version of ATAS. Don't worry about that. I'll show you in the next video how to connect perfectly with Rhythmic. And with the Delta Funding Futures, you'll get the data for free. So you get live data on your charts. And I'll show you exactly how to do that once you've received your email after purchasing that Futures Challenge. So you might see a lot of things here at the top and some things here on the side. And let's go through them. Not one by one, but just the basic things. As you can see, left top it says chart, and when you click on it, it already has a few standard charts to open. The most common one if you're trading futures, basically S&P, Nasdaq, crude oil, gold, and 6 euro futures. So euro USD, euro futures. But you can open more instruments if you want. You can just literally find them here in the list. Let's say you want to open GBP USD, so 6B, and then you see that you can open it here as well, or put it even in your favorite list. Now it's added as well. Let's say I want to open a Nasdaq chart, click on it and press OK. As you can see, I got now the Nasdaq chart. It shows like it's a pop-up screen now, but click on the chart, hold it, and drag it right here to this middle thing, and then it will come up in the bottom of all the tabs. So now you got the full chart. One other basic thing is of course the time frame. Not everyone is working on the 5-minute. So next to the name of the chart, you can click on M5 and you see every time frame that you can use. Minutes, seconds, ticks, ranges, Renko, anything you like. And if you want to have more information, because when you zoom out, you see that I'm already having like 4 days of data. But if you want to have like more data, click again on the M5 here undo the auto and type here the days you want. Let's say you want to have 25 days. Apply, and there you go. Now you got the information of 25 days on your chart. Let's change it now into 15 minutes. Now you see it's becoming already a little bit more clear. If you want to have some drawings on your chart, let's say you want to mark up your highs and lows or a certain price level, here at the left side you got all these extra things to draw on your chart. Let's see. So the first one is to make a trend line, and to make your line straight, hold the shift button and it will make it automatically straight. If you think like, oh, this line is way too bright red, right click on it, go to settings, and then you can change everything from that trend line. There are some more things. You can make horizontal lines. You can make a line from, let's say, the current price. And again, if you want to change the colors, the dotted way or something else, if you want to have an alert on it, go to right click on it and then settings. Now you can change everything. If you feel like you want to keep this line into your templates, go to templates and change it into whatever you want and save it. But again, I will go more into detail once we go to the video of the visual settings and the chart layouts to help you more further in how to use it on your chart. Right now, I just wanted to show you like a few basic things when you're having your first chart in front of you and how it would be helpful to use all these other kinds of advantages. Here at the bottom, you can also see like if you're having a buy trade, you can literally draw it just like on TradingView. If you want to reverse it, just click on it and then you got a sell. You see a lot of more tabs here at the top. Right now they're not really relevant, but in the next video I'll show you how to work with the connection of Rhythmic and how to implement the live data on your chart. Another feature is really interesting is the replay mode. It's perfect if you want to backtest on ATAS. I'll definitely make a video about that one. This is more about how to trade. That will come as well in the upcoming video. Next up will be about Rhythmic, how to connect it and get your live data running. See you all in the next video.